So, hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. Guys, welcome to your another important lecture in which we will be discussing three very important topics that are being seen in news. One of them is National Career Service Portal. Guys, recently the question has been asked in phase 1 examination of NABARD. So, we can expect the question in phase 2 also because this portal was again seen in news. Then, for the first time, a lecture has been conducted on India's development strategies. Again, a very important lecture series that has now been started. We will be discussing about that also. And then the third topic that I will be discussing with you will be Potion Innovation Platform that has again been seen in news. So within next coming 5 to 10 minutes, I will be discussing with you with these three topics. Now guys, before proceeding with this lecture, I have a very important thing to discuss with you. एक चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है गाइड्स, अ गाइडेंस व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग. इफ आई आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन के व्हाट इज द सैलरी ऑफ RBI if you are preparing for RBI, what is the role structure of RBI that you will be getting on? Then third will be what are the previous year cutoffs of RBI, what are the sources that you need to follow for the RBI, and the other important thing अगर इसके बाद भी बोलूं, ठीक है, इंटरव्यू कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, what are the exam patterns, what is the syllabus of RBI. Similar question if I ask you for NABARD also, कि क्या क्या आपको पढ़ना है. You guys might be hovering around, you guys might be looking at some various videos. बहुत सारे वीडियोस आप देखोगे और बहुत सारे पीडीएफ पे सर्च करोगे. But if I tell you guys, you will get all that information in a very detailed manner, in a very presentable manner in the books. So yes guys, you get me right, ठीक है. कोई भी डाउट है आपका आरबीआई का बेसिक, यानी कि सैलरी क्या है, किस तरह आप सैलरी इंक्रीज करोगे, या क्या सैलरी आपको क्या किस तरह से प्रिपेयर करना है फेज 1 एंड फेज 2 एग्जामिनेशन के लिए. सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज बेटा द सोर्सेज दैट यू नीड टू फॉलो. प्रीवियस ईयर कट ऑफ, पिछले 5 साल कट ऑफ, which means when you are starting preparing, one important thing that should be in your hand for RBI, I can say for NABARD and for the SEBI examination guys. Yes guys, you got me right. We have prepared a detailed guidebooks for you in which you will be getting is आपका salary structure क्या होगा. The second important thing is what are the previous year cutoffs, what is your examination pattern, and what are the sources that you need to follow when you are preparing. So guys, ये सब कुछ आपको मिल रहा है in these guidebooks which are absolutely free for you. Yes guys, you are getting me right, they are absolutely free for you. देखो अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं, सेबी की गाइडबुक अलग है, ठीक है. So these are exam based, it's not a common strategy. If you are preparing for SEBI, you can download this SEBI guidebook, ठीक है. If you are preparing for NABARD, then you can download this NABARD guidebook which will be giving you proper guidance for NABARD examination phase 1 phase 2 interview. And guys, if you are preparing for RBI, you can download this guidebook. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, अगर आप तीनों पेपर्स की स्ट्रेटेजी, तीनों पेपर्स को प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, तो यू कैन डाउनलोड दीज 3 गाइडबुक्स दैट आर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री फॉर यू. यू हैव टू डू ओनली वन थिंग, द लिंक फॉर दिस गाइडबुक्स आर गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. Look at, ठीक है, click on these guidebooks and you can avail these guidebooks. I think this is one of the most important document जो आपके पास होना चाहिए when you are preparing for the examination, because if you understand the cutoff, the level of examination, the cutoffs that are being getting, what are the sources that you need to prepare, it will really help you in a very great way when you start preparing for examination. So guys, I hope, ठीक है, अब आप लोग फटाफट में गाइडबुक्स डाउनलोड कर लीजिए. Now let's proceed with the topics of the day, ठीक है. If I talk about the first topic that I was discussing on the National Career Service Portal, so recently guys, National Career Service Portal was seen in news. The reason being is the portal has reached an all-time high vacancies of around 4,82,000. The question now I am asking to you is, which of the following is not among the top 5 contributing vacancies in the National Career Service Portal? So here you can look at the option here. Let's see how many of you get your answer right. And if I talk about the answer here guys, answer यहाँ पे quite surprising है. Answer है यहाँ पे tourism sector. Yes, tourism sector is the right answer here. Now if I talk about the things here, the top 5 sectors that are contributing are finance and insurance, operation support, hotel food services, information technology and communication, and the 5th one is your health sector. So the 5th one is your health sector. That's why tourism sector becomes, it's not among the top 5 contributing. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है, ठीक है, in the National Career Service Portal, that yes, rest are contributing, but tourism sector is not among the top 5 contributing sectors here. So the thing that I've discussed with you, so the information was here that as on 26th of September, we have around 4,82,264 vacancies that are available on the National Career Service portal. Now guys, let's discuss about this NCS portal in our next question. That is, which among the following statements are correct about the National Carrier Service Portal? So it was launched in July 2016. E-Shram and Udyam registration portals are basically integrated with the NCS portal. The third is, it is interlinked with all the states through the state employment exchange. Now again the keyword here is all the states, whether it is integrated with all states or some states. Launch year is 2016 or some other year, or whether E-Shram portal was integrated with this portal or not. So now guys, if I talk about the answer here, if you have gone through the NABARD paper phase 1, तो आपको पता है फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे incorrect है. It was launched in 2015, not in 2016. And if you have gone through the budget document, the document says that E-Shram portal and the Udyam registration portals are now being integrated on the National Carrier Service portal. Now, third thing is important because the National Carrier Service portal, the prime importance is it is linked with all the state exchanges so that it could give the better presentation on the employment rate. If I talk about the thing here, so answer here becomes that is option number E. B and C is our right answer here. If I talk about National Carrier Service portal, as I was discussing, it was launched in July 2015. It is a 5-year mission mode project. ठीक है, purpose क्या है? What it will do? It is an ICT based, that is information technology based जो है पोर्टल है, ठीक है, जिसमें कैरियर सेंटर्स, it is basically working as a country-wide model carrier center which is now been interlinked with all the states through the employment exchanges. The key thing if I talk about जो मैंने आपके साथ क्वेश्चन में पूछी है, E-Shram portal and Udyam portals were now being integrated under the National Carrier Service portal, which were based on the recommendations of the recent Union Budget of 2022-23, and along with that, Skill India portal is also integrated under the National Carrier Service portal. I hope guys आप इस माइंड मैप के थ्रू काफी क्लियरली इस चीज को समझ पाओगे. ठीक है, चलिए next come to the next question of the day. That is guys, that recently which among the following institution, as I was discussing, it is for the first time a lecture on India's development strategies has been conducted. I am asking you a very basic question. You have to tell me which among the following organization has basically inaugurated or launched this in-house India strategy discussion. If I talk about the theme of this discussion, the theme of this discussion was COVID-19 vaccination, the Indian story. That was the development strategy that was being discussed here. COVID-19 vaccination, the Indian story. Let's see the option. Let's see how many of you know the answer here. Is it Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Science and Technology, Women and Child Development, Labor and Employment, या फिर नीति आयोग? Now see one thing here. If you do not know anything about this question, guys, one thing that I will suggest is give it a glimpse, because give it a thought. Reason here is if you look at the options here, they are quite confusing. COVID-19 की बात हो रही है तो हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर भी आप सोच सकते हो. इट कुड बी एन आंसर. यू कुड बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट ऑल्सो. ठीक है, बिकॉज कोविड-19 पे वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट, अब बेसिकली चाइल्ड को आप बाल जो आप कोविड वैक्सीनेशन है वहां पे देना चाहते हो, इट कुड बी दैट ऑल्सो. ठीक है, देन इफ इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द डेवलपमेंट स्ट्रेटेजी, ठीक है, कोई डेवलपमेंट की बात कर रहा है तो हो सकता है कोई एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन की बात भी हो रही हो, तो ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है. बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द answer here is guys, that is option number C, Niti Aayog. It is the first of its kind lecture that has been started with Niti Aayog. So the thing here is the answer is Niti Aayog. If you know, that's really good. But guys, don't make blind guesses on these kind of questions, because I tell you one thing, now the examination level is getting tougher. The important thing here is that we need to understand is we cannot make guessworks. We have to be pretty much thorough about these things. अगर मैं बात करूं नीति आयोग की, तो नीति आयोग ने कितने ही इनिशिएटिव्स लॉन्च किए हैं, बुक्स लॉन्च, इनिशिएटिव लॉन्च किए, इंडेक्सेस लॉन्च किए हैं, मल्टी डिमेंशनल इंडेक्स, ठीक है, मल्टी डिमेंशनल पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट. ठीक है जी. सो नाउ द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग हियर इज व्हेन नीति आयोग इज डूइंग सम काइंड ऑफ दिस थिंग इज बिकॉज इट इज अ प्लानिंग सेंटर. ठीक है, एक प्लानिंग बॉडी है इंडिया की, तो दीज आर काइंड ऑफ इनिशिएटिव्स दैट नीति आयोग इज ट्राइंग टू प्रमोट इन इंडिया. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड lecture, that's why this news is very very important. If I talk about this lecture, guys, if I talk about this development strategies, the development strategy will be focusing on these 4 initiatives. That is national development priorities, policies which are inclusive growth. Policies for inclusive growth means that is totally focusing on India specific growth. Then is best practices in various sectors, and the next is initiatives to promote cooperatives and कॉम्पिटिटिव फेडरलिज्म को बढ़ाने के लिए आपके ये लेक्चर्स जो है वो स्टार्ट किए जाएंगे। पहला लेक्चर की थीम थी COVID-19 वैक्सीनेशन इंडियन स्टोरी, ठीक है। रेस्ट लेक्चर्स दैट विल बी कमिंग, इट सेज एवरी मंथ दे विल ऑर्गेनाइज अ लेक्चर, ठीक है जी, which will be now be focusing on the development strategies of India. चलिए, next question guys, when I talk about the thing here is, so now the question is, which among the following organization has launched this Poshan Innovation Platform? A very important thing, Poshan Innovation Platform किसने launch किया है? The purpose of this platform is basically to improve the nutritional status of mother and children under 5 years. The answer I have shown with you earlier also. तो ये answer initiative किसका है? It is an initiative of UNICEF and Vitamin Angels India. Now here guys, if you again look at the options here, because Niti Aayog always plays a very important role when these are kind of initiatives are being launched. So here you can also get confused with Niti Aayog. तो यही चीज पर ध्यान रखना है. Sometimes what you can see in the examination is questions are looking quite easy, but the options are become so much difficult, ठीक है, or so much tricky that you might, after knowing the thing also, you might attempt a wrong answer here. तो ये चीज को ध्यान रखना है. The answer here is UNICEF and Vitamin Angels India. And if I talk about this initiative guys, I think I'm really sorry. I think there's an issue in my PPT. So when I talk about the Poshan Innovation Platform, it is an initiative of Vitamin Angels India and UNICEF India that I have asked in the question. It will be starting from January 2023, with the focus will be on improving the nutritional status of mother and children under 5 years of age. The next thing will be, it will also facilitate the development of ideas with expert mentors and seed funding from the private sector. Then the next thing is guys, the platform, it will always be inviting ideas. It will always be inviting ideas on innovations around maternal, infant and young child nutrition. ठीक है, देखो status of mother and child under 5, which means infant, young children will be covered. ठीक है, that is the nutritional sectors. इस चीज पे क्या ideas आप ले सकते हो? This is the main purpose of this initiative. So guys, this was all about the lecture. Now very important announcement for all of you. ठीक है जी. So guys, we are running, just give me a second. So guys, we are running a RBA sale. ठीक है, हम आपके लिए एक स्पेशल RBA sale लेके आए हैं, in which what you will be getting is flat 40% off plus an additional 10% off on all our RBA courses, be it RBA Gold, RBA Grade B or RBA combos. ठीक है, the very important thing is the offer will be expiring till today, that is at the end of the day, and what you have to do is you have to use the code RBA for availing the offer here. ठीक है, so guys, this was all about the lecture. ठीक है जी, I hope you have liked the lectures. If you have liked the lectures guys, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get all other updates also, as well as you can also subscribe to the Telegram channel to get the link of the PDF of all the materials that we are providing on our YouTube lecture. Still guys, आपके पास कोई भी टॉपिक है that you want me to discuss with you, ठीक है, any other topic, be it related to PIB or be it related to any other current affairs that you want our team to discuss with you, tell me about the topic in the comment box. I will be really happy to bring a specific video on that topic. ठीक है, ऐसे current affairs में any topic you feel कि you want me to bring that topic, I will be really happy to bring that topic with you. Okay जी. Still अगर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में नहीं, you want to think anything, you want to tell me कि आप कमेंट नहीं करना चाहते, you can drop me an email also, ठीक है, at hello@edutap.co.in. You can also have a call with us on this number, that is 8146207241. I hope guys the lecture is fruitful for you. Keep learning, keep preparing. ठीक है जी, wishing you all the best. And one thing, जो गाइड बुक मैंने आपको बोली है ना, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज आई थिंक वही एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है जहां से आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन को बहुत अच्छी तरह प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फ्री गाइस, डाउनलोड दैट आल्सो. ओके, अगेन गाइस, विशिंग यू ऑल द बेस्ट. बाय बाय.